to our class. So the first activities I want you to put the suitable break into the blank to get the meaningful words. Okay. Cô muốn các em hãy đưa những cái viên gạch vào những cái vị trí đúng để chúng ta có được một từ có nghĩa. Okay, so are you ready? Have you got the answer? Yeah, so this is the answer for you. Number 1, public. Number 2, academic. Number 3, people. Number 4, term. Number 5, subtract. Number 6, compulsory. Number 7, curriculum. Number 8, exam. Number 9, system. And number 10, level. Well, and the next one, I want you to watch the video and remember the subtract mentioned in the video. So, are you ready? Yeah, so let's watch.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? I like math and science. I like art and music. I like drama and English. I like history and social science. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? I like geography and PE. I like mechanics and computers. I like philosophy and religions. I like cooking and creative writing. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
Okay, so can you remember what they are? Okay, so tell me your next online lesson. Now the next activities I want you to answer about the school education system in England. So number 1, when do children in England start their compulsory education at school? Yeah, from the age of 5. How many terms are there in a school year in England? 3 terms, autumn, spring and summer. What are the 2 school systems in England? The state school and the independent or public school system. How many course subjects are there in the national curriculum? 3 course subjects, English, Math and Science. Do children have to pay fees if they go to independent or public school? Yes. When can students take the GCSE examination? When they finish the secondary school. What do you know about school education in Vietnam? Okay, so children start grade 1 when they are years old. A, B, C, and D. Primary education lasts 4 years. A, B, C, and D. The school year January begins in and ends in A, B, C, and D. Which one do you choose? Number 4, the school year is divided into semester. A, B, C, and D. Okay, so students have to test the National High School Graduation Examination at the end of grade. So which grade? Okay, so tell me in our next online lesson. And now, we will continue with our Unit 4, Education System. So it's time for your speaking improvement. And now, Do you think that the school education system in England has the same things as Vietnam? Yes or no? Okay, so I will ask you this question in our next online lesson. So, now I want you to look at this one. This is the state school education system in England and in Vietnam. Separate school childcare environments are an infant or primary school. Primary education age from 5 to 7, grades 1 to 3, and grades 4 to 6 at the age of 8 to 10. Secondary education, we have grade 7 to 9, and grade 10 to 11. And the age, you can look at the picture here. And after finishing secondary education, students will test 3CSE. So nursery, the age from 3 to 4, kindergarten, the age from 4 to 5, grades from 1 to 5, age from 6 to 10, lower secondary, grades from 6 to 9, at the age of 11 to 14, upper secondary, grades from 10 to 12, at the age of 15 to 18. So, an academic year is divided into 3 terms in England, and in Vietnam it's divided into 2 terms. So, can you tell me the similarities of Vietnam and England education system? You can look at the table here, and here I have an example for you. In both countries, the school year begins in September. Okay, so tell me more when we are in our next online lesson. So, now tell me the differences. The table tell you about the differences of Vietnam and England's education system. For example, I have in Vietnam the school year ends in late May, but in England the school year ends in mid-July. Okay, so now it's time for you to talk about the similarities and differences between the school system in Vietnam and in England. So you can base on the information from the tables on pages 45 and 47 in your textbooks to complete the diagram by changing your ideas. Okay, so we have a diagram for you. You look at this one, table here. Okay, so yeah, so we had 2 tables for you. Okay, so can you tell me? So you compare the school education system in Vietnam and in England. So we have some points to compare here. So number 1, numbers of level in the education system. In England, 3 levels. Case A2 starts primary school in England, 5 years old. In England, compulsory school from 1 to 11. A2 finish secondary school 16 years old. National exam for 3CSE. Yes. And what about in Vietnam? 3 levels, 6 years old, from 1 to 12, 17 years old. Yes. Okay, so this is the model for you. You can base on this one to tell me about the similarity and differences between the school system in Vietnam and in England. There are some differences between the school system in Vietnam and England. Children in Vietnam start primary school at the age of 6 and finish this level at 10. While children in England study at primary school from the age of 5 to 10. In Vietnam, the compulsory education lasts 12 years, so children finish it when they are 17 years old. In England, the compulsory education ends when they finish the grade 11 curriculum at the age of 60. However, Vietnam and England have some similarities. Students in both countries have to follow the national curriculum set by the governments for the two education levels. After finishing secondary school, they have to take the national examination for GCSE. Okay, so you can use this model. Okay, you can talk by yourself. Okay. Yeah, and this is your homework. I will tell you in your next online lesson. Well, so thank you for your watching. Yeah. See you again.